Oceanic Airlines.
In the air since 1979.
Oceanic Airlines.
30 years with a perfect safety record.
Oceanic Airlines.
Oceanic Airlines.
Hello and welcome aboard. And thanks for flying with Oceanic Airlines. Our first priority on every flight is safety. So before we depart, we will give a brief safety presentation on board this Airbus A380-800 aircraft.
First, be sure all carry-on items are securely stowed in an overhead bins, and place smaller items under the seat in front of you.
And ensure all aisles, exits, and bulkhead areas are clear.
Oceanic Airlines now allows domestic passengers to use handheld devices like tablets, cell phones and MP3 players on board at any time. Make sure it's turned on into airplane mode. Larger electronic devices like laptops should be turned off and stowed until we're airborne. But please note some other electronic devices may not be used in flight at any time. You'll find additional information regarding electronic devices in the in-flight information section of Oceanic World Airlines Incorporated. This Oceanic Airlines Airbus A380-800 aircraft features Wi-Fi. An internet access will be available when we above 10,000 feet.
If you're seated at an emergency exit, please review the responsibilities for emergency exit seating on the back of the safety information card, which is in your seat pocket.
If you're unable to perform these functions, please let us know, and we'd be happy to find you another seat.
As we leave the gate, make sure your seat belts is securely fastened. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and adjust the strap so it's slow and tight across your lap. To release the belt, just lift the top of the buckle or press the latch to release.
Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened anytime when the seatbelt sign is on. And even if the sign is off, please keep your seatbelt fastened in case we experience any unexpected rough air.
For everyone's safety, federal regulations require all passengers to comply with the posted placards and lighted information signs in addition to any crew member's instructions.
Smoking, including usable e-cigarettes, is not allowed in any Oceanic Airlines flight.
Federal law also prohibits tampering with disabling or destroying lavatory smoke detectors.
There are 6 emergency exits on the upper deck in this A380-800 aircraft. There are 10 emergency exits on the main deck.
In the event of an emergency, the 8 doors in the main deck has the detachable slides that can be used as rafts for water landing. The middle exits in the main deck above the wings cannot be used as rafts for water landing. 3 on each side of the upper deck on the A380-800 aircraft can be used as slides for water landing in the event of an emergency, but cannot be used as rafts for water landing. Follow the crew members' instructions. Leave all carry-on items behind and take off high heel shoes. Then jump into the slide and move away from the aircraft.
All exits are clearly marked with an exit sign. However, if there is a loss of power and cabin visibility is reduced, lights with illumina the aisle will guide you to an exit. Please take a moment and find the exits closest to you and remember they might be behind you. If cabin pressure changes, the panels above the overhead will open. Oxygen masks will drop down. Pull the mask down firmly towards you to start the flow of oxygen. Oxygen will flow through the mask even the bag does not inflate. Place the mask over your nose and mouth. Slip the elastic strap over your head. And adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally. And note that oxygen is flowing. So don't worry if the bag does not inflate. Be sure adjust your own mask first before helping others.
In the event of a water landing, your life vest is underneath your economy seats.
If you are in first class, or suites, business class and Oceanic Airlines Club Suites cabin, your life vest is between seats and shoulder level.
Remove the life vest by opening the pouch. Slip the vest over your head. Wrap the tape around your waist and attach through a buckle in the front. Please do not inflate your life vest until you are outside of the aircraft. Inflate your life vest by pulling down on the red tabs at the bottom of the vest. If you need more air, blow into the red tubes and shoulder level. There is a light and a whistle for projecting attention.
If necessary, we'll distribute infant life vest for children and for babies who weigh 35 pounds or less.
Also, most seat cushions can be used as a flotation device. And so please, don't take it home with you.
Now, before we take off, make sure your seat belts is securely fastened, your seat back must be upright and locked, your aisle armrest must be lowered down. Tray table must be folded away. At this time your window blind must be open. Where fitted, leg rests must be retracted, movable TV monitors must be put away. And all carry-on items are properly stowed. Don't forget, your safety is really important to us. The crew are here to help should you have any questions. And finally, now it will be a good time for everyone to review the safety information card, which is in your seat pocket.
On behalf of everyone at Oceanic
Now as we
Airlines,
prepare for takeoff,
Please, sit back, relax.
And also, enjoy your flight.